afternoon and welcome to Keepin It Hot. My name is Mike Williams and this is Kalan Wilson.
Over the past few years, the world has undergone multiple climate changes. However, these changes are not due to natural causes.
No, in fact they are due to the extraction of fossil fuels and the release of carbon dioxide due to the burning of these fossil fuels.
Fossil fuels are used for the purpose of energy in the United States. Around 85% of the country's energy comes from fossil fuels.
You all are most familiar with fossil fuels causing problems to the environment, such as the release of gases from our automobiles.
Carbon dioxide has the purpose of trapping heat in the air so that the atmosphere can be warm. But when there is too much carbon dioxide in the air, more heat is trapped, which means the climate of the environment does not change as it should.
For example, each season has its own climate that we as mankind expect. When there is excessive carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the season and the climate do not correspond properly.
Fossil fuels are non-renewable resource.
Renewable source.
Non-renewable.
Fossil fuels are definitely not renewable. They're non-renewable. Once the fossil fuels are used up, they're used up. So there's no going back to it.
You must not know the answer.
Transportation, energy are two of the biggest ones.
I'm pretty sure they're used in things such as electricity, gas for your car, things like that.
Fossil fuels, to my knowledge, are used in cars for energy. Also, they use them to be burnt for energy in plants and electricity.
Some of the common uses of fossil fuels is just for gasoline, it's for the production of plastics, it's for the whole process of some places actually energy production for commercial areas.
Carbon dioxide emissions, they cause the environment to be depleted, and also causes causes accumulation, there we go, of CO2, which causes smog, poisonous CO2 run-ups, which causes acidity in water and also in other atmospheric areas of the environment.
I don't know.
Generally speaking, we know that carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, and meaning when the sun rays come in, they in fact don't escape back out like a car with closed windows in the summertime, so it actually warms.
Well, I know burning of fossil fuels also releases, kind of dangerous gases for us to breathe. Also causes a smog problem in big cities.
It causes it to be more poisonous, and also causes it to just be less breathable.
Still don't know the answer? Alright, forget you.
Burning of fossil fuels produces a lot of toxins in the air. It's almost as if someone knows that you don't go in a closed garage, turn your car on and burn the engine because the carbon monoxide and other gases are toxic. Well, we're basically in one simple planet with a closed atmosphere, so it's producing all types of toxins that's actually creating a lot of problems to our health.
The use of fossil fuels can be for our own benefit, but it can also be a detriment. However, using fossil fuels is an unavoidable resource of energy. Daily resources such as electricity and heat are a result of fossil fuel energy. Everyone knows of fossil fuels' relevance to the running of automobiles, but fail to realize the problems they can cause. Due to the continued ignored harm of fossil fuels by humans shown through the climate and the rapidness of its variances, the future of the world and its industries will have to depend on alternate energy.
As fossil fuels seem to be harming the earth, we realize that every source of energy has its benefits and limitations. Although these fuels we have relied on for many years remain the least expensive, they carry heavy costs that aren't reflected in the price. While the burning of fossil fuels is an unavoidable source of energy, a significant portion of the carbon dioxide emitted is by the burning of these fossil fuels. As a result of extensive use of fossil fuels in the last 150 years, the temperature of the Earth has already increased by more than 1 degree Fahrenheit. With the continuation of the extraction of fossil fuels, the danger will continue to rise as mines get deeper and oil rigs go further out into the sea. The burning of these fossil fuels also results in pollution, which is very expensive to control. It is evident that we as a human population must take responsibility for the condition of our world. Although fossil fuels are the source of daily used energy, there is strong need for a decrease in the combustion of these fuels. When fossil fuels have depleted, what will be our alternative energy?
We keep it hot.